drink at the concert, but that's it. No drugs. Alright, thank you. Alright, brother. Fucking bullshit, broke people, bro. Like, it wasn't even nothing in here to take. Like, it wasn't even nothing in here to take. Like, let's be real. Like, they didn't take, like, come on now. This is crazy. I can't even enjoy my night at a concert. Still out here waiting on 12. Females out here, though. Oh, yeah, just waiting. See what's going on. It's gonna be a video. But y'all these boys out here with me shit. Crazy. So basically, they doing 3 homicides tonight, so they're not gonna come out in front. He's just gonna give me some paperwork. He looked in the car. He broke down my gun. He put it in the trunk. You know, just I'm at an L. Bro, telling me to file at the Bank of America because that's where I'm at. But that could take weeks, maybe months, for them doing an investigation, you know? Because he said he don't think it's no part of your own risk, so I'm out of luck, bro. I ain't getting no good flips from the night. I had bro take me a photo, and it still didn't look good, so I'm basically assed out right now. I'm just kind of aggravated, you know? Crazy. Gotta go window hunting tomorrow, so we'll see. Stay tuned, Black. Hey, this cop showing up cool though. He's chill. I'm glad I got black car. I was hoping I'd get black car, especially me having fire on. And my windows feeling like crazy.
Last parking. Last parking is responsible for the parking lot. But Bank of America owns the parking lot.
But if you do, this is the plan. You'll be able to see the report. So I'm going to report tonight because I can get to it. It'll be done by early in the morning. You'll be able to see it in the next couple of days. Just put those numbers in at cpd.org. You'll be able to see the report. So if you want your insurance, give me when I leave right now, I say something, they break it down. Like locking in the glove box on the thing. I know you always trying to go in. Yeah, I feel it.
Okay, I got 2 more. Did they tell you? Did they call you? 2 more called in.
Nah, I'm going to another store right across the street.
Okay,
And then
somebody else on their way?
It's only a couple of workers because we got 3 homicides that just happened. Yeah, we got 3 homicides. That's why we backed up.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. Down the street.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a while.
Okay.
Yep, 311. I'm not parking here no more. Buddy, you're done going out.
Yeah, they sometimes they use a tool and they hit the back of the window. So
I'd like for the garage, Dodge Challenger.
see how they breaking the challenge.
Yeah.
So what it is they ain't gonna break your front windows because you're a lawnmower.
Yeah.
That's what. So they don't break your front windows. They only break your back windows. If I break your back windows, you're a lawnmower.
Well, I got something in my car that was supposed to let me know, but I guess my signal ain't even.
Yeah, because they break your back windows.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah. Well, no, if it even vibrate, like if I push this on this car, it's supposed to send me a notification to my phone. I guess because my signal.
Yeah,
so it didn't even go off.
Everybody's signal.
Yeah.
So what I say is, man, again, man, with your gun and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't leave it in the car when you're inside.
Yeah. I mean, I came. It just I left from work and I went to get an oil change.
That's what they breaking in the cars for.
Yeah.
With guns and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we got 2 missing upstairs.
Yeah, they just dispatched that. Is it a black Challenger?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just dispatched it. Somebody on the way now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
But I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Y'all, that cop cool, but like he basically saying like what I don't get, bro, telling me while I'm in Charlotte, basically, bro, I can't even get away from that sound because my window broke. But he basically telling me while I'm in Charlotte, don't have my gun out, but like I'm going in a concert, so like what am I supposed to do? I can't take it in that concert. I mean, I could have locked it in the box, but I was just in a rush. I was just trying to hurry and get out. But like, what am I supposed to do? And the real reason I had it right here, like near my lap, because it's kind of crazy where it was at, because somebody was doing something funny, so I had took it out the glove box and put it right here just in case I needed it. And mind you, I just left it there. Like I didn't need it at the time, so I just left it there. And shit, I don't want to get caught lacking. Shit. You know what I'm saying? What if damn I had came to the car and they were waiting for me to come back. They actually tried to take the car. Shit, and I ain't have my gun with me. It's like, what I'm gonna do? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, I could have really got caught lacking, but I mean, it's a blessing that like my car wasn't messed up. Like, cause I know like some people's cars, like they get broken into, they get messed up. But I mean, I just been going through a lot, so it's just like this ain't really help. Actually, I went to the concert just to like ease my mind, like try to enjoy myself. But yeah, I'm grateful that was the only thing. Like me in the car was saying, there's really no point in them like calling my insurance, because what they gonna try to raise my insurance for like a window that I could probably go get and probably get tinted, and then they was saying basically like they're gonna like call the insurance, like call it was a Bank of America at the parking lot. They don't own the parking lot, and then it's a sign that say "Last not responsible." So I'm gonna have to call Bank of America and see if they do anything. I'm like, they can at least give me my parking back. My parking was $20. Like they can at least give me that back. But I mean, it was a good concert. Baby turned up. I mean, it's just a lot going on in this moment. But hey, man, I'm on my way home. I got like I had a 30-minute ride. I don't know how far I am. I don't really get the GPS, but I'm straight at the end of the day. So, you know, I guess it's a blessing. Like somebody was trying to tell me, like, one of the dudes, like, you taking it better than somebody else. They almost want to cry. Like, dude, like, I felt good, but like, it's just like, at this moment with so much going on, I didn't want nothing. I didn't need nothing else going on, but like, it's just like God, like, I'm just thinking about how God, like, just might been like keeping me from, like, you know, leaving home, or like, I mean, I did get 2 drinks at the concert, so he might have been like making me wait before I drove home, but like, I wasn't drunk, like, by the time I left. So I don't know, but you know, they say things happen to people before they blessing, so that might be, you know, just happened to me before my blessing. It might be my time for something to come up, because a lot of stuff been going on, man. Ain't nothing been going my way, but I mean, I thank God that that's just what it is, and I just got to see what I can do. Well, got the windshield. I really think it came off that tackle. No, it didn't come off that car. I wish it would have come off that car. I think the tint dark on that car, but at least it got a little bit of tint on it, so I ain't tripping. I don't know how much, but we back up here. They just got to test me in, so yeah, they daggone about to squeeze this right in through the freaking window, and that's still freaking broke. Oh, that window broke right there. Oh, look.
Let's look at it. It's crazy. Crazy as hell.
So I'm mad. He coming to get the vet because it's like glass in there. Alright, back him, move it up. It's so hard now, glass in there. Y'all, I'm really back in action though. Yes, sir. They even gave me one that was tinted and everything. Alright. Back on there, get some windows. But they gave me a tinted one and everything. So, yes, sir. So, I ain't gotta go to the tent shop. Yes, sir. This was the cheapest way possible I could have got this done, but I got it done.